Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm back. I decided to talk about a local area network, that is LAN. So we're gonna see like how to build a local area network, what do we need, and then why we need to build a local area network. And so let's start. So I cannot just make a video like that, so I need to do some research. I say like I'm gonna build a local area network, so let's go. So as we say, like we're gonna talk about LAN. So you guys need to know like a local area network is a network that connect multiple devices in a local area. So a local area, we can take like example like your home, like your office, like your school. So you need like to connect like your device, like switches and routers and PC. So that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna explain you and I'm gonna teach you now, because I'm teaching you and I can teach myself as well. Don't take it very bad, so easy as well, like a simple way to learn for me. So we will need like routers, Ethernet cable, and then device that you need to connect in your network. Yeah, so maybe for example your PC, your phone, your laptop. Yeah, so how it is working: device send data through a network that is a switches or routers. To without forgetting why LANs matter is there is fast connection between device and resource sharing between device and centralize your management. So now let's take it to how to build your local area network and what you need. So first you need to know like your component of your local area network. So let's see core component of your network. So we have like device, you have media, you have protocol. So device, you have like your computer, your printer, your routers, your switches, and then for for media, you have like Ethernet cable, we have like Wi-Fi, and then let's see like on protocol you have TCP and IP. You need to know like you can connect your device whatever between them, you can use the cable, but if they cannot communicate between them, so they need like TCP, that was because maybe like IP protocol, and MAC address, they need to know each other. So that's why you need like some configuration. So you need like to know to master TCP. That's why you can communicate between them, you can send file, you can send like your mail, everything that you need. So you need to master that. So let's see how LAN works. So how LAN is working, so you need to know like this data transmission between in a local area network. So like data is forwarding by is broken into frame. So this frame like is like I have a PC1, I want to communicate with a PC2, but between them you have like a switch. So you're gonna send like a data packet, so the switch can break them like into frames. So with that MAC address of the PC1, so it can know like where do you want to direct your information, if it's in PC2 or PC3, because like in the past we got like a hub. So with a hub you can like share information to all the PC that you want, so it cannot like direct information to the specific PC that you need to communicate. Imagine like you have three PC, you have PC1, PC2 and PC3, you need to communicate to PC2, but with your hub you cannot like communicate only with PC2. So when you're gonna share like information, even PC3 gonna receive and PC2, so all of them receive. So that's why like they make a switch. So a switch you can configure, make sure that when you're sending like a packet to PC2, so a switch like receive and then break down like a frame and then know like this MAC address coming from PC1 and then you want to share to PC2 and then it can share it. So you don't need like to share information and then someone else can know what do you need to send, because you are in the local area network. So with a switch you can break down. So that's why we talk like how that works. So we can talk about data transmission. So right now like let's see like benefits of a local area network. So you need to know like with a local area network, so we have high speed compared to a one, and secure and control environment. So your environment is secure and you can control it. So the challenge in your local area network is like scalability limits, security task, and you need like to manage it. So scalability limit, so you need to know like, so you cannot like add too many devices in the local area network, because like connection gonna be slow, and then like it's only like they say like a local area network, you don't need like too many users. And then security, you need to make sure that all the time you can update your software. So that's what you're gonna talk about managing, because if there is no more security, only one PC, if one PC is like affected, so it's easy to infect like the other PC, because like like it's only like on the local area network, and then you need like protection. So all the time make sure that you update your software like for protection, and make sure like security, like, because I say like the first important thing like security, my guy. So make sure as I say, like security so is a must have. So you cannot like say like you're gonna build your local area network or your network without security, because like like I'm focused on security, because you cannot be like an IT engineer or a network engineer if you cannot like do even basic configuration, basic security configuration. So you need to know like in a local area network you need like strong authentication, maybe one or unique password or admin like username stronger. And then you need to know you can divide your local area network like a LAN on VLAN. So like you are in the small like for your office, so you have like finance department, IT department, or management department. You can segment them too, so you can do segmentation for your VLAN, VLAN 10, VLAN 20. So we're going to so a local area network, that is a LAN, is a backbone of communication in your office, in your business, in your home. So whatever you can do, so you need to know like you have a big challenge if you want like to build your local area network. It's not kind of difficulty, but you need like to know the right device that you want to put in your network. You need to know like you have like security, you have to install firewall, you have to configure a device like your switches, your router, and then you need to know like lens bring speed, resource sharing, efficiency, and then scalability, maintenance, and security. So that's what you need to know. So if you are a junior IT like a network engineer, so that's what you need. And then you don't need as well like to be like an engineer to do it. So do your research like me. So all the time I'm trying like to do my research, and then I'm trying to share it with you. That's helped me to grow up, and then we can work together. Don't forget to subscribe. That's helped me a lot to put myself very well. So I really love you guys. So keep going, and let's go together.